The GH7 is the world's first mirrorless hybrid camera that can record 32-bit float internally using the XLR2 microphone adapter, so you no longer need to stress about the levels when you're recording. 32-bit float is an audio format that gives you extra dynamic range to your audio signal. This format gives you the flexibility to recover audio that typically would be peaked if something is too loud, or you could bring up sounds that are too quiet and bring them back up without increasing the noise floor. To enable the XLR adapter, scroll down to Audio 2, and in this menu, click the XLR mic adapter setting and turn it on. On the mic socket, you have your 3 options depending on your microphone. I'm going to choose this one, and then scroll up to Audio 1, and in the sound record quality, you'll have your 4 options for your audio quality. You have 2 24-bit options and 2 32-bit options. Here's a good chart to reference to know what works with 4 channels and 2 channels. While using Frame.io, the second you stop recording, that asset will be accessible in the cloud for your editors to work on quickly, regardless of their location. To enable Frame.io, scroll your way down through the menu until you find Frame.io. Here, you could click Connection Setup, Wi-Fi Connection Settings, and here you could create a new connection. You have 3 options, but I like doing it from the list. This will pull up your Wi-Fi settings, and you can just put your password in, and it will connect your camera to your Wi-Fi. Once you do that, go and turn on Frame.io, and it'll give you a code that you could use to pair on Frame.io. Here, click C2C, add new device, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once your connection is successful, you're ready to shoot and have your footage sent straight to an editor through the cloud. In the Upload Setup section of the menu, you could auto-upload to the queue, and you could choose your upload file formats from proxy, JPEG, or RAW. And speaking about proxies, you can also record proxy files to a separate card that is a smaller, easier to edit duplicate video file alongside the original. This gives you the freedom to hop right into an edit without bogging down your computer. To see all the options that have proxy recording, go into your menu, hit display filtering, turn on proxies, and from here you can select your frame rate. Hit OK, and you'll see all the options that you could use with proxy recording. Once you've done that, click Proxy Recording Settings and enable it through this menu. Once you've done that, you can choose your recording quality that goes from low to medium to high. The GH7 has taken strides when it comes to image quality. You can now internally record 5.7K 30p ProRes 422 HQ and ProRes RAW HQ. To enable ProRes, go to the File Format and choose Apple ProRes within this menu. Once you've selected that, you go to Record Quality, and it'll give you all your options in ProRes. The GH7 also supports 12-bit RAW output through HDMI when recording into the Atomos Ninja 5 external recorders in ProRes RAW. The GH7 has the ability to record open gate with its 4x3 sensor, giving you the ultimate flexibility to reframe your shots in post for any deliverable. This camera also has its powerful video assist tools like waveforms, vector scopes, frame markers, and zebras built right in. This gives video shooters the most peace of mind possible.